Did you know that entrepreneurs just like you have sold more than $1 trillion worth of products on Shopify?
Want to know how to get your slice of that pie? Well, lucky for you, this video has the breakdown on 6 ways you can set up multiple streams of income all through Shopify, including ways you might not have even thought of. I'm your host and fellow content creator, Rachel Fisher. Welcome back to Learn with Shopify. Let's dive in. Number 1, create an online store. I know, it's obvious, but look, this one had to be number 1 considering it's the first and most popular step to making money on Shopify. There are millions of merchants in over 175 countries after all. These merchants are made up of people and brands selling all kinds of things, from apparel to beauty products to items from the home and garden, gadgets, fitness gear, food, the list goes on. The question is, how do you jump on this gravy train and decide what to sell? Well, you may already have a business you're sitting on, but don't realize it. Have a knack for finding fire vintage items? Start a vintage clothing store. Do you have a journal full of doodles or drawings that might look good on a t-shirt? Start selling print-on-demand items with your designs. There are tons of print-on-demand white label product companies that will take the hassle out of your dream t-shirt, mug, company, whatever you like. They'll handle the inventory so you can operate out of your tiny little 400-foot apartment in Toronto, for example. If you like that idea, then go even further by selling purely digital products. The market for digital products is $1 billion industry and it keeps growing and growing. The only limit is your imagination. Are you an expert planner that has a great template for staying organized and the world needs to know it? Well, create a store for digital planners or templates people can buy. But hey, if you don't even want to think up your own products to sell, start selling someone else's by becoming a reseller. A reseller is someone who buys products from a supplier, makes them their own, and then, you guessed it, resells them to the market at a higher price. Drop shipping is still one of the most popular ways of becoming a reseller. However, it all depends where you get your products. Drop shippers specifically rely on getting products from manufacturers, wholesalers, and retailers that will handle most of the back-end storing and shipping of the products. But you can also get your products from garage sales, your closet of unused things, just like dying for a home, flea markets, etc. And pretty much do the same thing, except you will probably have to handle the storing and the shipping of the products yourself. But with all these options, there's a pretty low barrier of entry. I could go on and on about great business ideas. However,
if you're still stuck on business ideas and you don't know where to start, I have a great video on how to start a business from scratch using AI that you should watch after first hanging out with Rachel.
Wow, that makes me so dizzy. Before I move on to our next one in the countdown, I can't forget about the Shopify starter plan. It's the most user-friendly version of Shopify and you can set it up straight from your phone. And it's perfect for those of you who just want to run their business straight through social media. It's optimized for selling via mobile devices and doesn't take a lot of time and effort to set up. All you need is a picture of your product, a fun little nifty description, but maybe don't use nifty. Press a few buttons and there you go. You can sell your product via Insta, WhatsApp, email, basically anywhere you can share a link. Plus, you can sell in person too. And speaking of social media, number 2, social media partnerships. Let me be the first to tell you, it's not enough just to have a website anymore. In fact, get ready for this whopping statistic. 78% of social sellers outsell their peers who don't use social media, and 51% of social sellers are more likely to reach their quota. And it makes sense. How many times a day do you scroll on Instagram and suddenly have 5 more things in your closet the next week? But hold on, what is social selling? Social selling involves engaging with potential customers on social media to build brand trust and awareness. This can be done through both paid and organic posts such as ads, behind-the-scenes content, contests, and customer reviews. By increasing your viewership and credibility, you can land some new sales opportunities. The good news is, if you're using Shopify or thinking about it, which I presume is why you're here, not only has Shopify made it super easy to create a wicked website, which by the way, you can do in a few minutes by just checking out the link to our free trial down below in the description. They've also made it easy to manage all your social media business accounts in one place. The official Shopify app allows you to connect your website store to Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, Pinterest, and TikTok. On most of these apps, you can even create additional store outlets that allow you to directly sell your products from those apps. That way, your customers can purchase your products right as they discover them. Through the Meta services, you can set up Facebook and Instagram shops where you can manage all of your orders through Shopify admins, and your customers can check out directly from the posts advertising your products. Not to mention, you can create ads and keep track of all your data as you go. By the way, I did a whole cute video about Instagram shops on our channel that I will link right here. Just another reason you should subscribe. We got a lifetime of knowledge. If you have a TikTok business account, you can add it as a sales channel through the Shopify App Store and connect your business center. Then your catalog of products will be automatically uploaded. It's important to note though that you can manage ads and tag products in your TikTok videos, but unlike the Meta shops, you can't directly check out from TikTok. But the links in your content will lead you directly to your Shopify store. Same thing goes for Pinterest. You can't set up a shop, but you can sync your entire product catalog within Pinterest, making everything pinnable, which goes right to your website and your customers can check out from there.
Sorry to interrupt, but when it comes to YouTube, you can join the YouTube Shopping Affiliate Program so that verified YouTube creators can tag your products in their content, directing viewers right to your Shopify store to make a purchase. You only pay a commission when there's an actual purchase on your website. If you're a creator, when you tag other products in your videos, you benefit by being able to make a commission from the sales of the products without having to own and run a business yourself. Instead, when you see your favorite brand is on Shopify, you can tag their product and earn some of that sweet, sweet affiliate commission. Another way to make money is to connect your store to your own YouTube channel and tag your products in your own YouTube videos, shorts, and live streams. So say for instance, you sell skincare products and you made a video using it. You can tag the product, and once it appears, an overlay will show up, giving your audience more information about that product and giving them a direct link to purchase it. Back to you, Rachel.
Shopify made it effortless to connect your business socials to your website for a reason, so take advantage. Imagine if you had to individually update every single catalog on every single app. Then imagine being the customer, seeing a product, and then having to track down a website, then scroll to find the product, then add it to cart. Shopify makes selling simple by shortening that gap. What saves you time, gives you more visibility, and more credibility will always make you more money. But how do I get more visibility, you ask? Funny you should ask, because next up we've got number 3, Shopify collabs. This one is pretty cool because it applies not only to store owners, but to everyone? Yeah, everyone. Shopify collabs lets you join a community of influencers, affiliates, and creators to, wait for it, collaborate with, whether that's you and your brand or you, the influencer. It's basically the tried and true word of mouth marketing technique rebranded. Merchants can recruit influencers in the database with highly engaged audiences who match with their brand and create mutually beneficial partnerships and vice versa for the influencers. Creators promote the merchant's products and earn affiliate links, free products, and discount codes that earn them a commission on every sale. You can set up automatic payouts in the Collabs app based on your agreed schedule, and there you have it. It's that easy. This provides advertising, exposure, and new customers for the merchant, while the creator gets a financial or equally beneficial payout. It's a win-win. Basically, it's like that symbiotic relationship you see with like sharks and whales in the ocean who have those little bitty tiny fishes attached to them, protecting them from barnacles. You get the idea. But what's an example of how I can apply this? Fashion and makeup brands, for instance, rely on influencers to market their products via honest review videos, lifestyle posts, and unboxing videos, for example, to get their products in the hands of someone their target audience already trusts. This creates an authentic experience for the audience to enjoy and adds more credibility to the products. However, not only is this a great way to sell and advertise your products, on the back end, it's a great diagnostic to see if your target audience is the right one for you. Just another reason why it's important to create that strong social media presence like we talked about earlier. This takes that to the next level. Connecting with collaborators, whether you're the business or the influencer, is a great way to expand your reach and viewership, ultimately resulting in more sales. But hey, what if you're a more behind the scenes person? You like coding, but you don't like the spotlight. Well, in that case, number 4, become a Shopify partner. The Shopify partner program is entirely free to join and is a massive community of designers, marketers, affiliates, coders, photographers, freelancers, developers, etc. that provides educational resources and opportunities to earn a monthly revenue through Shopify. You can use this partnership to not only set up another stream of income for yourself by advertising your skills, but also give and receive advice from a database of professionals on how to grow your business. One way you can do this is to become a designer, for example. And not only will a merchant pay you to make their website, Shopify will pay you an ongoing percentage of their client's monthly subscription fee if you transfer the store to a live plan. That's 10 to 20% on top of what you made from your clients. So that way you get the initial payment from the client, but you also get ongoing monthly payments from one job. Sounds great to me, but wait, of course there's more. Create e-commerce themes and apps, publish them to the Shopify theme or app store, and you can expect to keep 80% to 100% of app and theme development revenue. Though it's important to note that the quality and value of your work will greatly affect what that 80% looks like. Which is why it's important to increase your skill and credibility. Enter the training programs I just mentioned. The Shopify Partner Program also gives you access to free training courses, in-depth documentation, and many other resources that will help you grow your business, such as the Shopify Academy, which gives you training courses and certification programs to increase your reputation to your clients. This increase in credibility will give you a competitive edge when seeking out new brand collabs, partnerships, and potential clients, therefore increasing your revenue potential. You'll also get early access to new features, marketing materials, get global access to Shopify partners, and Partner Program is the first step that will lead you to number 5, become a Shopify expert. Shopify experts are professionals who live and breathe Shopify. They are experts who can help you set up your own domain, design your website, create, run marketing campaigns, and help you build a good business strategy. Considering the Shopify Partner Program gives you access to a bunch of educational resources, it's only a matter of time before you yourself become an expert and can join the Shopify Partner Directory. The Shopify Partner Directory is a platform where Shopify partners can advertise their expertise to Shopify merchants specifically. How is this different from the Shopify Partner Program since you can advertise your skills on both? Well, the Shopify Partner Program is open to anyone and has a specific focus on tools, resources, training, and growth, whereas the directory is restricted to approved Shopify partners only, and its main job is to connect partners with merchants by increasing visibility. The directory kind of gives you that stamp of approval to increase your credibility with Shopify merchants looking to hire. To apply, you must have a portfolio of your expertise in design, marketing, management, choose your own adventure, that Shopify will review. Along with being in good standing with the terms of the partner program, to be considered, you must also be an active member of the community, i.e., complete 5 or more successful referrals in the last 12 months and have worked directly with 50 or more active merchants in the last 12 months. Once you've been accepted, which you will be because I believe in you, you can start advertising and selling your services to merchants and charge your own rates. I recommend doing both the partner program and the directory because it optimizes your earning potential. Continue to offer your services in the partner program and earn money through referral commissions, theme and app development, while you actively seek merchants in the directory, and boom, you've just got several more streams of income. Don't forget, you can also advertise your Shopify expertise on other freelancers for hire websites to magnify your income even more. Last but not least, number 6, flip a Shopify store. You've heard of people who flip houses, right? Well, why not apply the same thing to a Shopify store? This basically means you buy a website with a lot of potential, fix it up, improve its sales, and then sell it at a higher value. As you've probably already gathered, it takes a lot of work to run a business, and some people are just waiting for that golden offer to take it off their hands. You could be that person, but how do you know what stores to buy? Well, a lot of Flipper enthusiasts use marketplaces like Flippa to find stores eager for buyers, or if you already have an eye on some promising businesses, try reaching out to them directly with an offer. If you want to learn more about website flipping, Michelle does a great video that breaks it all down for you, which I will link here, just to keep it exciting for our editors. So there you have it. You have 6 tips to apply to your life when looking for another source of income, and it's all basically in one place. Yes, starting a website with Shopify is not only easy and user-friendly, but it's not the only way to get a slice of the cake. If you have any questions or want us to expand on anything, or hey, even make a full video about it, let us know in the comments below, and be sure to subscribe to catch our next video. And if you like this one, be sure to leave a thumbs up. I've been your host, Rachel Fisher. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you next time.